Can you find it?
Oh my
What
God.
she said.
That's not, he didn't answer back. He said, can you find it? He didn't answer back.
Oh, yo. Come on, dog. Nigga recording me and shit. Hey, just jack it up, bro. You're already almost done, dude. We're halfway there.
It's like an install. Well, you're sweating like an install.
Let me take a look.
Hey, you don't even gotta crush it down.
I need to stop you first.
Alright.
I'm still under the truck running. Come on, don't you got somewhere to go?
No,
you do.
Okay, I'm here till 8
Get
o'clock.
your ass under the car.
Hey, this is home team.
We're here supporting you, dog.
Viva la raza.
Racist, guys.
I'm Donald Trump.
Hey, you know you should do it with your hand first, like this.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Why are you looking at that dude's ass for, bro?
I'm looking at him like,
He like this.
I'm looking at him like, hey, look, that's why I'm looking at him. Look, this is a roll all back. Dude, what you need to do?
Look underneath, Jonathan.
No, take it off and turn it a little bit. Turn it with your hand first.
Okay, man, I bet these ladies can show you how to do it.
Use that hand. Use that hand.
Why y'all ain't telling me?
Hey, it's moral support.
Moral support. That ain't support. They just, then you feminine ass.
Hey, that ain't support this
motherfucker shouldn't change your tire. That bitch
Wipe
gonna,
his face, dog. He's like a doctor right now.
that bitch gonna fall off when you get down the street. Sir, your tire just passed you up.
You did driver alert? Give a fuck.
God damn it.
Man, dude.
Minor, bro.
Dude. First, turn.
Use your mouth.
Thank you. Turn it up first. Really,
And when it hits it,
really, you're supposed to have it over here somewhere.
I mean, Mr. Mechanic over here is saying it's supposed to be back here.
It's supposed to, yeah, I think Matt's right. I think Matt's right. They have the indentions over there.
I want to see this.
Mechanic over here said it's supposed
Mr.
to be.
Mechanic? Bags of tips.
it's always supposed to be
All I know,
Hey, you got the brakes. You got the brakes locked down.
put the e-brakes.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck around, the truck just gonna roll
Oh, you
off.
see that shit is rolled?
Oh shit! It's gonna hit the building, blow up that damn tank over there. Be like,
I'll be inside.
I'll be running around.
I'm celebrating. How's everything going?
Did anybody see that? Hell no! I ain't see shit.
That shit falls, I'm out of here.
You heard it?
Who did this? Jonathan? Okay, yeah. Yeah.
That's my last day.
That.
My last day is Tuesday. Fuck it.
Your last day is today. What you talking about? We're just gonna fire you
You know you
today.
gotta call John Parker and tell you you're not gonna be able to make it.
Don't even worry about coming.
I'm gonna get away, y'all know.
That's like I'm looking at. There you go. There you go. Twist it. Twist it. Use those forearms.
Joel, come on, bitch.
I'm looking.
It's
learning.
It's
It's
learning.
learning.
It's learning.
It's learning.
That's why it's a how-do on YouTube.
Hey,
I'll put a
don't put the
how-to
weight
video.
on. Don't put the weight on. It's like this is pushing it down.
No. Ya estaba ganando el monster que tenía ahí.
Hey, you don't work for free. You got paid.
Like 2 fucking months. Every time, oh, thank you. I'll get you a monster.
Oh, ¿y cuándo?
He said that was last year.
That's the fucking wrong way, you fucking cunt face.
Did you say that way?
I'm talking about the la barra that you have on there right now that you just put on.
I'm supposed to be the other way?
Yeah.
No way.
Just fucking stupid.
Come on, way.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Like that, bro. Like that. Like that. He just flipped it the other way. Oh, shit.
Oh, I'm so glad I'm getting paid for this. Oh, shit.
Oh shit! I hear
Now
it.
you hear that motherfucker?
Dang.
You would have.
Hey, you would have made it. Hey, you would have made it. You would have made it. Hey, put it down. You would have made it.
I would roll that bitch to the fucking to the shop just like that. Blah, 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 blah.
Let me watch it.
Dale, güey.
Low rider.
I'm over here trying not even doing my first install yet.
There you go.
It's good. It's good right there.
But you're losing the bowl, sir.
It's good. It's good. Quítale ese.
Anyway, you didn't know. Some of them are not loose. It's gonna be
JJ didn't do it. JJ did it. Just step on it.
No, I loosen it.
Not this one.
What's that one movie? He was like, son of a bitch. And mom put soap in his mouth.
And then food what?
Soap in his mouth. Something. It was a Christmas movie.
What's your tire, Joel?
Just lose it.
Look at that boy growing
the
up.
tire in with the
Boy
fucking
growing up
leg?
right in
What?
front of your eyes.
His toes, nigga. His nose.
Did they do the drum kit? I didn't know that.
Now you know.
Ah, you would have made it. You would have made it. You would have made it. Put it back on. Just drum it.
That's pretty fun.
JJ trying to fix it.
He sprayed it on a framer. The framer was like, motherfucker.
Fuck that. Hey,
They be doing that.
Luego este güey lo va a sacar.
get your drill.
Some Puchinos, guys. Come on.
Get it drilled right there.
So you can get the impact and that works too.
This way?
They're too loose. Right inside.
There you go. Yeah, lower it now.
No mames, güey. Este güey no quiere que conozcas a su hijo. Este güey no quiere. Son camaradas, güey. No, pues te digo, el camarada acá me dijo, ponlo acá enfrente.
That shit will pop out, nigga. I did that shit one time. That shit, wow, like, oh shit. I was like, dude.
Le dije, ponlo ahí en tu tar. No, you did not.
I put it right here and then got the tire for it works.
No, esa vez que me ayudó él, güey. A rock ran through that shit.
It was like this.
Thanks, man.
YouTube.
Facebook, Instagram.
Nah,
I got break it up Instagram though. It only takes 30 minutes. So I got
not even 30, you're like 15 seconds.
I got to break all up. Step on it.
Oh, yeah, I gotta
Roll.
No, I mean, now I literally feel stupid, dog. This motherfucker knows how to change a tire and I don't.
My dad
Nah,
was a mechanic.
One of his dads was a mechanic.
Fuck you.
Which one?
My real
What
one.
number?
My real one.
The first one.
There's a list.
I'm a,
Real leprechaun.
Ty, y'all talking about hype.
I'm glad y'all. Hey,
My goat.
I'm glad they finally put you on Netflix. I'm glad they put you on Netflix. I showed my son the movie.
Oh,
They got all the ones. Leprechaun in the Ghetto, all of them.
in the hood.
You know?
In the hood.
Oh, in the hood. My bad. You sure you got it on tight? Like you stepped on
I'm
it?
tightening up.
Now just put it on drive. It come off by itself.
Suspension off.
Hey, do they call me Jonathan?
They will if you do that shit, yo. They will.
There you go.
You would have made it. But less than.
That wasn't hard, right?
No, you got 10 seconds to make it less than 10 minutes.
Damn, we should
Hurry,
time
hurry,
this shit,
hurry,
bro.
He got 5 seconds to make it 10 seconds.
I got to get
Are you gonna be catering?
Yeah.